Hey guys, Super Ultra here. Today we're doing a quick video. Today we got some more mail to open. But yeah, let's get started. Yes! Yes! My two copies of Element Hero Neos, the Eternatus. I finally have 2 copies of this artwork. Yes, I finally have 2 more copies of this artwork. So this art will be going into my Jaden deck. So basically, I already have a copy of. So basically, I ordered 2 more, so I have 3 of them now. This is the one I already owned. But yeah, finally, yes! I have 3 of them now. And the second one. I got my copy of Overfusion. And finally, my copy of Overfusion. This card is cool. This helps with this is a good card for super polymerization. But yeah, that is it for the mail opening. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you all next time. Peace.